Looks like 2025 already is shaping up to be a transformative year for behavioral health here in New Mexico. Not only are New Mexico state lawmakers promising to make some pretty serious investments in the system, but new community clinics are now accepting patients in several different cities. Our Griffin Rushton got an inside look at one of those new clinics right here in Albuquerque. It sounds, Griffin, like more are still on the way.
I mean, that's the goal, Trevor, at least according to officials with New Mexico's healthcare authority. 5 new behavioral health clinics are now open, all operating under the agency's new Community Behavioral Health Care Clinic program. The idea is to relocate all sorts of mental health and addiction treatment services under one roof, making it easier for New Mexicans to get help when they need it most.
We can't just criminalize behavior. There are certain times where folks just need that additional support, and we need to kind of give them those resources for treatment.
And New Mexicans in Bernalillo County can now find that extra support inside this community behavioral health clinic, nestled within the UNM hospital campus. It's a 16-room facility offering a full menu of behavioral health treatments for absolutely anyone who needs them.
You can walk up regardless of your ability to pay. It's open to everyone, and they will work with you and get you the services that you need.
This UNM facility is one of 5 new community behavioral health clinics now open across the state, along with similar facilities in Carlsbad, Las Cruces, Santa Fe, and Farmington, all housing many existing resources under one single roof.
So whether it's for your child, whether it's for your parent, whether it's for yourself, and you need treatment for substance use, you need treatment for a behavioral health issue, or if you're a veteran, you can go to that one place and you're going to get the resources that you need looking in one place, as opposed to having to go through the phone book and trying to figure out, how do I get this?
New Mexico is one of 10 states to receive federal money to implement the Community Behavioral Health Clinic model. And Nick Bucas with the state's Behavioral Health Services Division says his department is already looking to expand this model to other New Mexico communities.
And we're seeing other providers that are interested in doing this, because they realize that this is a program that not only do we believe in, but it's also going to benefit them and the communities that they serve.
Rebuilding New Mexico's behavioral health system, one clinic at a time.
So when we talk rebuilding, it's a little bit of everything. We need to modernize the system. We need support for infrastructure, but we also need staffing to go into that. But then also in looking at the programs and saying, what needs to be updated? What needs to be added? And how do we do that in a way so that we're not going to overburden the system, but also make sure that the services that they're getting are what people need?
Now, as we mentioned, rebuilding New Mexico's behavioral health system is a major goal for New Mexico state lawmakers this year. And legislative leaders confirm there are significant investments already built into that state budget proposal we just told you about.
There is a very strong start and down payment when it comes to behavioral health. Over $200 million addressing everything from behavioral health care professionals to housing to the linkages and many other components.
Legislative leaders say they are assembling a package of behavioral health bills, and we're hopefully going to get a closer look at what's inside that package and everything those proposals are saying in the coming days.